Good afternoon, student. In our first explanation video, I was discuss about hardware component of computer systems, and our first topic was input devices. Today, I am going to discuss about output devices. Today, I am going to discuss about output devices. Output devices. An output device produce the output in user readable form. Means whatever we see in the computer monitor, we call it is a user readable form. And we have already learned about two output devices, monitor and speakers. Today we will learn more about some output devices. Today I am going to discuss about a output device, printer. A printer is a device used to print text and pictures that we see on a monitor onto papers or other medium such as transparencies. The output of the printer in a permanent readable form is known as the hard copy. Printers vary in size, speed, cost and quality of printing. Printer can be classified into two broad categories: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printers. Printers that make a mark on paper by striking a print head or a needle on the ink ribbon are called impact printer. I can say another way, impact printers are printers which work by creating a direct contact between ink ribbon and paper. It has some property. Generally, impact printer are slow, then noisy and not used for high quality printing. Not used for high quality printing. This is a dot matrix printer. It is an example of impact printer. Another two printer available in market, we also call it is a impact printer, such as daisy wheel printers and line printers. But in commonly dot matrix printer are commonly used nowadays. Non-impact printers. Non-impact printers do not strike the print head against the ink ribbon and hence generate less noise. I can say another way, non-impact printers don't use any direct contact between ink ribbon and paper. They use laser, xerographic, electrostatic chemical or inkjet technology. Example of non-impact printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. It has some properties: less noise, faster than impact printer, used for high quality printing. Now, another output, another printer is available. Normally we call it is a plotter. Actually, a plotter is a special type of printer used for producing high quality graphs or diagram. Plotter is a special type of printer used for producing high quality graphs or diagram. Plotter are used by, who use the plotter? Normally plotter are used by engineers, architect, map makers to print plans of buildings, diagrams of machines or large scale map. So today up to this, in next class and I will discuss about component inside a CPU box.